Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our analysis for this Friday through Monday, September 3 to 6, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We no longer see the intertropical convergence zone. It's now being replaced by the Monsoon Trough because of the emergence of the Southwest Monsoon over the South China Sea and the West Philippine Sea. And as you can see here, the Monsoon Trough is affecting Luzon. That's from Ilocos region down to Bicol region. And they expect afternoon or evening rain showers to prevail in the afternoon, to prevail in various portions of Luzon, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, with isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, except for the areas of Palawan and the Kalayaan Island Group because of the emergence of the Southwest Monsoon, which is slowly being enhanced now by the newly formed Monsoon Trough, which is now connecting to a developing low-pressure area outside of the Philippine area of responsibility south of Guam. This is LP894W, and right now it has a lower chance of developing into a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. But early next week, we'll be keeping an eye on this system for possible development into an active LPA or even a tropical cyclone. Computer models right now are split on the development of this system. The European model doesn't show any significant development, just an LPA. But the American model, the US Navy, and the Hurricane WRF model of the United States, or NOAA, are showing some development as it moves towards the southern islands of Japan. So that's the track of 94W by next week. So we're going to keep an eye on this system for further development within the next 3 to 5 days. So the Monsoon Trough is well established, so expect some thunderstorms to prevail across Luzon. And also the Southwest Monsoon will start to affect Palawan and portions of Sulu Archipelago in the next couple of days, since we have this new 94W and the newly established Monsoon Trough. We have a tropical depression here, 17W, which is moving towards the north into a frontal boundary. So this is no longer a threat. This system rapidly intensified from LPA 93W. The last time we mentioned this is just a low pressure area, but right now it's a tropical depression, which is showing no signs of further development. So you can see the trough here affecting areas of Northwest Pacific over the open sea, and we have a quasi-stationary high pressure in the vicinity of Iwoto, formerly Iwo Jima Island. So don't forget to bring your rain gear, umbrellas, jackets when you go out in the afternoon or evening. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. There you can see the thunderstorm activity forming again across the Philippine Islands, and if we zoom it, here's the windy.com zoom in satellite animation. As you can see, various parts of Luzon is being covered with thick cumulonimbus clouds. These are scattered to widespread across Luzon, portions of Bicol region, Visayas. Actually, it's all throughout the country as the afternoon to early evening progresses. Now here's the windy.com rainfall forecast accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. Various areas of the Philippines will still continue to be under the influence of the localized thunderstorms, becoming more intense here over the West Philippine Sea and portions of Palawan and Sulu Archipelago because of the Southwest Monsoon and the southwesterly surface wind flow. So here's the cloudiness of the trough of LP894W to the east of the Philippine Islands for the next 3 days. Here's the latest from the American Model Ensemble, or the GEFS tracks, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits of Levy Cowan. And this is 94W. As you can see, the majority of the ensemble shows a track towards Japan, so it's not a threat to our country, so nothing to worry. So it shows from Okinawa up from the Miyako-jima area up to the southern or eastern coastline of Japan. This will be under the threat of LPA 94W. And here's the European model for the next 3 days until Monday. Southwesterly surface wind flow will start, or the southwest monsoon will start to affect the West Philippine and South China Seas into Palawan, while Monsoon Trough will continue to prevail here over Luzon. And on Sunday, we have again a weakening of the we still have a southwesterly surface wind flow, a little bit weaker compared to Saturday, but the LPA is now to the east of Visayas. That's 94W. This is a different path that the European model is forecasting, and on Monday it will remain as a weak LPA. So far, the European model doesn't show significant development until Friday, September 10. It will remain just a low pressure area moving towards extreme northern Luzon or Batanes area, or even into the southern portions of Taiwan until September 10 or Friday next week. Okay, so we have here the weak southwest monsoon. So far, that's the latest on the forecast of the European model. The southwest monsoon will be just temporarily be here for the next 2 days before it will start to weaken again on Sunday through Monday. Although on Monday we have a southwesterly surface wind flow, we will observe this as the weekend progresses. Okay, so that's the latest. We'll be returning again on Monday to give you more update on the weather, particularly LPA 94W, which is hovering to the south of Guam towards the western portions of Micronesia. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, or youtube.com/Mr. Typhoon, and don't forget to click the notification bell for the latest updates on the upcoming typhoons and weather conditions across the Philippine Islands. Thank you, and have a great weekend ahead.